Hello everybody, welcome to Wallingtonfilming, the Candleman. It's Jack here from JW Decorating. You can go follow us on Facebook, that'd be awesome. Looks like that. Great stuff. Videos are a massive help to me and my apprentices also. I send them home and make them watch it for research, and they come in the next day, they're cracking on, know what they're doing. Great help. He's given me permission to put this video on as an intro, so I'm having a crack at it. So thank you. Enjoy the video.
Hello you guys, here I am on a certain builder who I can't mention for legal reasons, and I'm here with a plumber, and he's going to show you how to solder a bit of copper pipe. That's right, he's kindly volunteered for this purpose. For the purpose of this video, we're going to call him Dave. So Dave, let's show my viewers how to solder a bit of copper pipe together, or solder a joint. Right then Dave, you're going to show my viewers how to solder a couple of bits of pipe together, and you're going to walk them through it step by step. For any of those guys that just want to do it to time, ain't you?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do today.
So what you got here, 15mm pipe?
Yeah, all I've got here is 2 bits of 15mm pipe. I'm just using 2 bits for the purpose of the video.
Yeah, you're a good lad really, ain't you?
So once you've got your fitting that you want.
Have you been out your time long?
I've been out for a couple of years now.
Oh well, you should know what you're doing.
I should know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Hopefully I should anyway.
So what we got then?
Once you've got your fitting that you want, then you have to get your flux.
Oh, let's have close up for that, because people are always saying, what the fuck do you use? Oh, power
flux.
Power flow flux, yeah. Get that from any plumbing merchants, can't you?
Yeah, pick that up anywhere. There's other ones out there. This one will clean the pipe up as well as solder.
Yeah.
All you do is just get a bit and then you put
it around. Let's have close up. Are you not going to clean the pipe first?
No. This cleans it for you.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. So once you do that, you get it round the pipe.
You using your solder as the...
Well, you can use solder, or you can use a flux brush, or you can just use a normal brush, to be fair.
Yeah.
I just use this because it's easier. I've got it there whilst I'm soldering, so it's just the easier thing to do.
Let's have close up, yeah.
So what you do then is just paste up your fitting.
Yeah. Pop
it in.
Yeah. Right, is there any... right, that's so you don't... What's that for? So
that's just so you don't... it's nice and clean run all the way around.
Is there any particular way that you start soldering from?
Not really, no.
Do you like start burning in the middle, or do you do it there, or on the joint, or what?
It depends with the person, really. I tend to point it at the joint first, and then go towards where the pipe is.
So what's the idea with this flux then? Does it... What's it do?
It just helps it run. It just lubricates the pipe so it runs round and it sends it round there nice evenly.
Yeah, got you, yeah.
But yeah.
So what you got here, is it, this is a special plumber's...
This is a Turbo Torch Extreme.
They're a bit expensive though, aren't they, Dave?
Oh yeah, they're a bit. They're like, you're looking at probably 60-70 quid.
Yes, sort.
Easy.
But you can use one from B&Q or something, can't you?
Oh yeah. This is just
everyday use, yeah. Oh, okay. So you want that on, yeah?
Yeah. What you do is turn that on. Like I say, I tend to apply it to the fitting first. Wait until you can see it start turning a different colour.
Yeah.
Then after that, just start applying it. You only need a little bit, you don't need a lot. That's it.
Is that it?
Yeah. That should be run all the way around. Should be nice.
Oh yeah. Oh right. Yeah, that's brilliant, mate.
So that's how you solder.
Oh, right.
Soldering 101.
Thanks for that, Dave. Much appreciated.
No
and
problem.
I'm sure your mate Ross will love this video.
I'm sure he will.
Yeah.
I bet it'll soon link me in it.
He will, won't he? He's a bit of a lad, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
he's still with the same bird, because
Oh yeah.
I heard he's been through a few since he got his message. Like, you know what I mean? I don't know. That's just a rumour that goes round. This particular builder.
No comment.
No comment. That's probably a wise thing to say.
Yeah. I'm getting involved in that.
No, don't, mate. Don't answer any of my questions whatsoever. Well, thanks anyway. Cheers, Dave. I'm sure my viewers will love that. Right, well, thanks to Dave for showing you guys how to solder a bit of copper pipe. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share from the camera. Making him a cup of tea in that gigantic mug.
He's a good boy.
And I guess.
Yes, you have, mate.